pitch by where it's placed on the stave, and you know the duration by the way the note is drawn, Barlines break the music into sections that are easy to read. And every bar, this is a bar and that's a bar line. So this section here, that is called a bar, and this is a bar line. And this is a double bar line. So for now we're only going to be talking about simple time, and in simple time there's going to be a 4 at the bottom in this case. So simple time signatures is what we call them. And you can have any number on top of this 4. You can have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today we're only going to be talking about 2, 4, 3, 4 and 4, 4. You can look at that and it sort of doesn't look terribly organised, but if we put bar lines in it, it just makes it easier to read. So because we know that it's got 2 crotchets, or the value of a crotchet in each bar, so we're going to put, that's worth 1, that's worth a half, and that's worth a half, so that makes 2. We have to fit 2 in each bar. So we put a bar line. Bar line starts at the top and ends at the bottom. 1, 2 beats, 1, 2 beats, 1, 2 beats, 1, a half and a half and a 1. And because it's the end, we're going to do a double bar line. Double bar lines usually got 1 thick one, but you don't have to do that, and 1 thin one. And that just means it's the end. It's the end of the piece of music. If this was in 4/4 time, where would they go? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and that wouldn't actually exist. There'd be something else in there to make that work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And of course the double bar line at the end, which you will do more accurately than I just did. Alright, so you might get an example where these are incomplete bars. You have to look at the time signature and work out how many beats you need to put in each to make them correct. So in this example you've got to have 4 crotchet beats. So here we've only got 1, so we would need to find 3 beats. So you've got a lot of choices. 3 beats. You could go a minim and a crotchet. You could go 1, 2, 3, so 3 lots of quavers or 6 quavers. You could go 12 semi-quavers. You could go 3 more crotchet beats. You could do any of those things. But you need to fit 4 crotchet beats in each bar. Here, how many beats are in there? There's 1. So we need to put another 3 in. Let's just make it easy on ourselves and go. That makes it 2, that makes it 4. What about this one? We've got to put 2 more. And this one, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. As long as every bar adds up to 4 beats, we're right.